puppy dog got into a porcupine today. He's gonna be going to the vet tomorrow. Big old happy puppy, huh? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. This is the second time he's gotten into a porcupine. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Puppy. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. So I hand fed him some ham and some cheese and stuff because I can't get into his bowl. Oh my gosh, that's so bad. He won't let me pull him, you guys. I pulled 4 out and he was just freaking out. They're gonna have to put him out to pull him. I love my puppy dog. Yes, I do. I love my puppy dog. Yes, I do. I love my puppy dog. He's so tired. Anyway, you guys, porcupines are nothing to mess with. This is what happens when porcupines mess with your animals. I stopped trying to pull him because he freaked out. And so we're just gonna go to the vet, put him down out so they can pull him without fucking with him. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Just wanted to let y'all see this is what happens when you mess with the porcupine. This is his second time. The first time was way worse. This time's not as bad. Alright, love you guys. Bye.